Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're going over the QQQ, analyzing current events, and the charts to give you an idea of what to expect going forward. First, let's look at the news. Recent headlines indicate a mixed market sentiment, with some indices experiencing a losing streak while others edge up slightly. Investors seem cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision. This caution is reflected in the overall market volatility, as many investors are awaiting more clarity. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, has shown relatively more strength, although a general overview of the current market suggests uncertainty remains. Let's begin our analysis with a look at the daily chart for the QQQ. Here on the daily chart of QQQ, we can observe a recent uptrend, with the price consistently breaking above previous resistance levels. The most recent candle shows continued upward momentum, suggesting strong buying pressure. However, there are some indications of a potential pullback. The volume is decreasing while the price is still increasing. This may be a warning sign. Let's now turn to the hourly chart to analyze the short-term price action and identify potential support and resistance levels within the recent upward trend. The hourly candles show some consolidation, indicating a temporary pause before the next price movement. If we zoom in on the last few hours, we can observe a slight upward trend, even with the recent pullback. In the 15-minute chart, we can get a more detailed look at the intraday price fluctuations, potentially allowing us to spot short-term buying and selling opportunities. We noticed that there were several instances of quick upward movements followed by minor retracements during the last trading day, a sign of volatility that may persist. However, based on our observation, there has not been a significant breakout or reversal pattern. This suggests further minor corrections may be possible before any significant directional change. Based on our analysis of the charts and the latest news, there's a moderate likelihood of the QQQ continuing its upward trend in the short term, but there's also a significant possibility of a correction or consolidation phase. Short-term traders should be alert to potential pullbacks and might use them as buying opportunities. In the long term, the outlook for QQQ remains bullish. However, keep in mind that the overall market sentiment is still uncertain, and any major news events related to the Federal Reserve's decisions could greatly impact the price action. The most important price levels to watch are the recent support around 490 and the resistance around 515 for the short term. For the long term, above 530 is an important resistance to watch, and a break above this level may trigger a significant rally. If the current upward trend continues, then the likelihood of these targets being reached increases, while an unexpected negative event from the Federal Reserve could trigger a sudden sell-off. If we observe a bearish reversal pattern forming on the daily chart, it could significantly alter the outlook for QQQ. Therefore, monitoring volume and price action carefully is crucial for traders to make appropriate decisions.